What's up everyone, it's Dan. It's been about 8 months since my last video, but today we're going to be doing an install video, fairly simple. We got the 2020 Honda front bumper garnishes, OEM. I'll put a link to these part numbers and where I got them for about 150 bucks for the front and left bumper garnishes. Basically what you're going to need is the radar cover for the left side, so I'll put that down there, but it was about 150 bucks, so nothing too crazy. And then for the install, all you need are some trim removal tools, and that's pretty much it. So here's what they currently look like. These are honeycomb cutouts, and then just has a lot more, smoother, cleaner look to it. So that's the left side, and then here's the right side. Now you may want to use a microfiber cloth and kind of put it in between as you pop out the clips, just so you're not scratching up your paint. I learned that from the last video. There's a couple nicks or whatever, but they buffed out, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I believe there's 3 clips on top and 2 on the side, and then some on the bottom. And then in this corner, you gotta there's one of those pop out like screw thingies. So then that's pretty much it. There you go. Like I said, got all the clips. Once you get it popped open like that, you'll just want to take a flathead, put it under there, and pop that out. Here's what it is, guys. It's just a little push thing, holder. I don't know what you call these things, but they always break. But you just put a flathead under here, pop it up, and then you should be able to remove this. There you have it. So here's kind of the look between the two. I have to adjust my fog lights, so it's not in all the way, but that's generally what it'll look like. Definitely looks a lot cleaner without all these honeycomb design things going on. Now we're gonna do the left side. Alright, so we put the radar cover over this. You just have to buy this extra cover on top of the 2 garnishes, and then it pops right in. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, it was a pretty straightforward DIY. Go check out my other videos I have on here. Please give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.